I have two bodies of work that I'm developing. It's inspired by my experience as a listener in the landscape. I've been painting in this series for the past 6 years. It's called the Frequency Series. This work explores the phenomenology of place, like the way that sound and light and signal moves through vulnerable ecosystems around the world.
Known for her multidisciplinary creative practice spanning painting, sound, and installation, Perri Lynch Howard brings a distinctive approach to contemporary landscape through sustained engagement with remote and ecologically sensitive environments. Howard creates audio field recordings of these unique places, from the Arctic Circle to coastal and migratory landscapes, which she then uses as the foundation for her paintings and installations.
The other body of work that I'm exploring is called Lost Legends. This body of work is similarly inspired by vulnerable ecosystems, but it explores more the absence of things rather than the presence of them. So for example, soundscapes that once existed but no longer do, weather patterns that are changing due to climate, or landscapes when something was present and now it is no longer. The Frequencies series explores the presence of things. The Lost Legends series explores the absence of things.